Today I'm going to teach you how to build any house you ever wanted. And we're going to start with making a simple little outline. You can add onto that rectangle whatever you want. A little side spot. And then let's say we want to add like another side spot over here. And finally we want to add like a tower right in the middle. Remember, circles are always towers. And of course you can adjust this. Step number 1 is complete. And now we're going to take the corners, every single corner, and build it up as high as you want it. You want to build all the corners at this respective square the same height, but on different squares you want to build it a little shorter. Now you want to build your roofs. You either want dark blocks on the inside or dark blocks on the outside. So I'll show you just dark blocks on the outside. Then you also want to build it backwards like so, and this makes your roofs look like about 1,000,000 times better. And then I fill in the middle with, well, whatever light block I chose. And that's one roof down. And now you want to keep doing that for all the other roofs. And usually you want your roofs to overhang by 1 block. And as you see with this one, I've left open a spot for the tower. And this is where I'm going to teach you a little bit about gradients, which is going to be our bottom gradients, deep slate tiles. And if you have Axiom, this can help you a lot. Now, we're going to start first with building our calcite up. I don't know, there's no like set way you can do it. Build how, then put whatever you are going to do next. And then you also want to like kind of sprinkle in the block you did before and kind of merge it. Now you want your roof. There's the tower. Depending on how you want to do your walls, it can be different. If you want to make a little like edge, I recommend doing calcite 3 blocks up all around. Of course, you don't have to do calcite, it's just that I like calcite. You want to place another block. And of course, you can change it if you want. In this case, I am because I didn't think it looked that great. And usually you just want to just mine out 2 blocks of windows. And make sure to do glass pane. Do not do full glass blocks. Now that you finish walls, I like doing floors in a specific way. Usually I use stripped spruce logs. And these, I like putting them like this. As you can see, it looks really nice. So there you go. That's how you build a house. If you want me to tell you how to do decoration, if this video gets to 50 likes, I will make a video on how to do decoration